What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing video, right? So I recently picked these up and I wanted to do an unboxing of these. So the first one we have is Aleister Black. This is from the series 108. There's a single and then the double packs include the Usos. It's been a minute since we got an Uso. These are just the basics. It includes the belt. These are really plastic cheap belts, but we'll review that. Perhaps my favorite from this double battle pack series is the Trish Stratus and Lita. My favorite so far from this one. So let's get started. We'll unbox Aleister Black first. So of course the basics. The articulation not very good at all. I will tell you the facial scan has gotten pretty good. From the basics, that's the only thing that's really improved as well. So right off the bat, the tattoos are awesome. Of course, the elite one's way better. But overall, I'm really happy with this. $9, basic. Levels of circulation, again, not very many. You can just move his legs back and forth. And bend his knees. Of course, these figures are horrible. Bending the knees, anything. I just don't try it anymore. Although the arms are pretty good. Arms, elbows, wrist, those are pretty good circulation as well. His hair, pretty good. Face recognition, I think that's certainly Aleister Black right there. Can't wait to add him to my collection. Put him to the side. Next, we're going to do the Usos. I'll save Trish and Lita for last. Since day one-ish, right? So, I'll take that out. So, as you can see, here's the battle pack itself. Real nicely packaged. Here's those cheap SmackDown belts. I'll probably put this in my arena back here in the crowds. As you know, some of the other, the Elite, these are the awesome belts that includes them. I'll see if you can spot the difference in these. Cheaply made belts versus, the higher quality belts with the Elites. Of course, you pay for what you get for, right? You get whatever you pay for. Put that to the side. Check out the Uso. Nothing to these battle packs or basics. Just pop them right out. Normally the other figures, they do have some kind of security where in the back you have to cut the string or whatever it may be is holding them. But overall, very happy for these figures. Highly articulated, or no, highly detailed, not articulated. Highly detailed figures. Like I said, it's been a minute since I picked up any of the Uso figures. So I figured why not pick this one up. So overall, again, articulation, not the best. Just move his legs back and forth. This one you can bend the knees. Sometimes I don't even try with the knees, especially when they're wearing their knee brace, or knees pads like these. Almost impossible. But this one moves. Ooh, we got a defect here. Look at it. I hope that don't mess over time. It's not supposed to be that loose. But there's one of the Usos. We'll get the other Usos. Yeah, he's actually wearing shorts. He's got that white knee pad. So let's see if we can bend his knees. Nope. Oh man, there you go. See that? See that level of force you have to give it to in order to bend his knees. So I don't even mess with that no more. I just leave it like that, displayed. So that's the Usos. We'll put them to the side. Next, we got Stratusfaction and Lita. Man, boy, did you miss out if you didn't watch the Attitude Era. These two were one of the tops, right? And then, of course, you had all the other ones. Molly, Holly, Victoria, Jacqueline, Ashley, Kat, Mickey James. I can't remember all of them right now. China, just to name a few, right? So here's a battle pack. Awesome figures as well. Again, nothing to these. Just pop them out. Now this is for the Women's Evolution pay-per-view. The one-time one pay-per-view, right? So I'm not really sure what happened to that pay-per-view. It was just one-time thing where Ronda Rousey led it or whatnot, but this is from that pay-per-view because it includes the chair. Oh wow, what's great about this actually, what's great about the chair is that it's not a sticker. So as you know, before, let's see the camera zoom in. Before this was a sticker here, so this actually peeled off, and I know that because I have a couple that from WrestleMania or from other kind of events, and they just put a sticker on here. So that over time that just came off. So this is actually part of the chair. Awesome. I hope they start doing that from now on. So we'll put that to the side. Little accessory to the chair. So now we'll first start off with Trish Stratus. See if we pick the camera, picked it up. Great face scan. And I'll take pictures of these so you can see them all as well. I think I can't say nothing bad about this. Oh wow, look at the ease, side to side. I thought the basics weren't supposed to be able to do that. You can move them side to side, back and forth. The knee, of course, whenever they wear the knee pad like that, it's almost, you can't bend their knees all the way. Arms, wrist. Man, I'm surprised by that. So, because if we look at the Usos, the legs don't go. They go back and forth only. Well, that's a plus right there. Maybe because the way that they have her design at the bottom here. But that's a plus right there for me. I can't wait to add this to my women's display or WWE Superstar display. So that's Trish Stratus. Now we'll look at Lita. This is Lita. Wow, and then we have controversy. What she's wearing. This is not appropriate for PG or little kids. And that's why the 90s was the best, right? So you can see her attire is a classic attire. And you know what I mean by say classic attire. So again, let's see. Oh wow, look at that. You can move her legs back and forth. So you get a little bit more with these basics. Like only elites will go this way and back and forth. Well, this one does that. It's a basic. The arms and the elbows, a little rough there. Still moves, wrist. But overall, I think these figures are awesome. Let me know which one was your favorite of these unboxing. Again, my favorite has to be the Lita and Trish Stratus, just because I grew up watching them. But also, their articulation is way more than the Usos, and they're battle packed as well, or even Aleister Black. So overall, I'm gonna put these. I'm excited to add them to my collection. By the way, 96 subscribers. That's crazy. I would never imagine that. Like I said, this is a hobby, but we're almost at that 100 mark, right? So keep liking it, keep subscribing, keep sharing the videos if you like the content. I really enjoy doing these videos for you all. And as always, let me know what questions you have as far as what you want to see reviewed. I do have a lot of figures that I need to review. I just need to find the time to do it. Until next time, everybody.